Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how you can celebrate this Chinese New Year with the new stickers for your Instagram stories. So let's open up your Instagram app. Now let's go ahead and try to post a story. Take a photo or a video. In my example, I'll make my story all black. Now tap on the stickers at the top and you'll see a selection of 3 Year of the Ox stickers which you can use. You can select all the stickers or just one. You can move them around and resize them wherever you want. Tapping on the stickers can flip them horizontally so they're facing the way you want them. And once you're done, you can now post this to your Instagram story. Hope this was useful to you. If it was, then like this video and subscribe to this channel. Enjoy your day, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.